Hello everybody and welcome back to DrivesBMW. I'm in the mountains for a few days of snowboarding right now, and before I drive back I'm gonna preheat the car, which is standing down at the station. You see the icon is moving, which means the car is gonna be nice and warm when I arrive. Then I'm gonna plan my route back to Bern. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show the route. Then I will say, I don't want to go this way, I want to drive by Montreux, like this. Then I'm going to say I want to go to Montreux first and then to Bern. And what you're going to see is that the application basically is calculating the shortest way back to Bern. I'm going to charge here for 13 minutes and I'm going to charge here for 7 minutes. I'm going to hit save, and what you also can set is what kind of charging stations you would like to prefer. In my case it's BMW Charging, since I have a BMW Charging contract. You can also set the minimal battery level that you want to have when you arrive at the charging station, but also when you arrive at your destination. So I'm going to head to the gondola. I hit send to my BMW. Gonna hit done. Yes. All right, that's it. We're good to go. We see we have 2 hours and 33 minutes for a 210 kilometers trip. We're gonna make 2 stops and we're gonna lose 21 minutes for charging, which seems fine to me. And right now our current battery state is 31%, so it lost like 3% during 3 days outside. Alright, so we arrived at the charging station. I'm gonna grab my BMW charging card. Then let's see if we can charge this bad boy up. That's it. You see it orange blinking, and as soon as it turns blue, it's charging. All right, good boy. So right now we're charging at a CCS charger, which is a high performance charger, also known as a supercharger. We're pumping in 125 kilowatts. The maximum that car can take in is 135 kilowatts at a time. And I'm not sure what those kind of high performance stations are able to perform, but I think it will be something around 350 kilowatts, so more than twice what that car is able to handle. You can see that we're standing at 22% right now, which gives us a reach of 68 kilometers, and you literally can see it counting. Let me lose a quick word to the different types of plugs. So right now you have a CCS plug, which is the round, and the 2 additional plugs combined, which is direct current. And direct current means something fast. Whenever you have the chance to charge direct current, do it, because it's way faster than the alternating current, which is the second kind of plug you get. Charging at a AC charging station, you're able to charge at 11 kilowatts or 22 kilowatts. 11 kilowatts takes you from 0 to 100% in like 6.5 hours, and 22 kilowatts does the same under 4 hours. So I'm happy enough to have the possibility to charge the car back home, and I have a 22 kilowatts alternating current wall box, which means that if I plug in my car and it's really empty, in 4 hours maximum, it's at 100% good to go. And one more thing is the BMW charging card. You can either pay at the charging station like you're used to from petrol cars, or you can go into a BMW charging contract where you have some sort of a flat rate every month and you have a fixed tariff on every charging station. So you don't need to compare prices and stuff. If you head to a BMW charging station. You plug in and you exactly know what it's gonna cost. And I kind of appreciate that. So you can see the car reduced its charging speed to 80 kilowatts. So that's for battery management reasons. We're at 160 kilometers of reach and a battery level of 64%, meaning that we're good to go. Just a quick time check. We started charging at 14:43. It's 15:03. So we're standing here for 20 minutes. And in that time, we made over 55% of battery capacity. All right, so we head for stop charging. You could also do that over the car screen. We head out and then we take off. Let's go. That's it. Thank you. Alright, so we're back in Bern. I definitely miss the beautiful weather we had in the mountains, but I hope I could answer some of your questions regarding the charging process with a BMW or a battery electric vehicle in general. If not, please post it down in the comment, and I hope to see you back next time.